When I go to search for a runner, I search for the name in the results page, I pull up the runner, and then I click on photos for that runner. Initially I see 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 photos before I get to the near your finish section. Now if I go up here and click on this first photo and then scroll through them, I can get all the way to the end of the first 18, and then all of a sudden, as you see up here, I jump from 18 to now saying there's 33, and I can continue onto photos that did not show up on that first screen. Now, I don't know any way to see these photos other than clicking on one and scrolling through them, which means runners will miss a lot of photos unless they go through this step here.